Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Motorola Z3. So shout out to Lady Red's Tech Reviews because she has been asking me about Motorola. She is a Motorola girl, just as I am a Motorola dude. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you want to see about this phone or any other phone on my channel. So let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, so here we go with the Motorola Z3 guys. So all that the call out right here says Qualcomm. It's powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 mobile platform. Other than that, there's no other thing. They said that they just printed these cards out this morning, so they kind of didn't really include all the specs of the phone. But this is the Qualcomm booth, so it's not more about the specs. It's more about the actual processor and stuff like that. So for those of you that are watching at home, you can go ahead and look up the specs of the Motorola Z3. I've always just wanted to have the phone in my hand, feel what it's about, see what it's about real quick, and just, you know what I'm saying. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look. Looks like it's been put into another language, but that's no issue there. So let's go ahead and that's accounts, obviously right there. So yeah, man, people are, let me tell you, man, people are kind of funny, man. People are very funny when it comes to different stuff right there. So nice. People, yeah. There's actually a OnePlus 6T over on the other side, and it's crazy because they put it in. They actually locked the phone down, so it's like, come on guys, you guys really want to be like that. Talk back security and privacy. I'm looking for a keyboard. Well, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and just take a look at the camera because we pretty much, like I said, guys, just go ahead, look up the RAM and the storage, but that's what the camera's gonna look like on the back. Like I said, I really wish they would have some stuff that you can actually take a picture of or whatever and look around, but they don't have that here, so it's kind of hard when you got a cord right there to go ahead and look around. But we're gonna go ahead and go into the front camera, and the front camera, let me tell you, is really nice. Really nice. So obviously the bezels are a little bit big on this phone, and that little thing at the bottom right there, that's kind of weird. That's kind of like an AKA Apple type look right there. So let's see what the dialer looks like. So that's strange. So so it kind of serves like a back light, so it's kind of like a slider type thing. So I don't know if you're into that or what, but then you press it for the home. So I guess they call it the pill button. So if you go left, you got a search bar right there. If you go right, and then if you scoop up right there, you got all your stuff. You got your Google, you got your photos, you got your phone, you got your email, you got your calculator, calendar, camera, you got your settings, you got your clock, you got your files like camera, messages, drive, photos, bingo bash, Bank of America online apparently. You got your Chrome, cloud, you got your Duo, eBay. Wow, this phone comes packed. Empire, you got your Facebook, Final Fantasy, InstaShare printer, you got your Hum, you got your Groupon, Google, Gmail, you got your Life 360, Message Plus, you got your MOTO, you got your MOTO Alexa, you got your MOTO Game Explorer, you got your My JBL Soundbox, My Verizon, So yeah, Verizon, man, is throwing a bit of bloatware on here, as you guys can see. Security and privacy, you got your Slotsomania, you got your smart news, WeatherBug, and you got your YouTube right up there. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be about it for me, guys, with this Motorola Z3. So go ahead and leave a like if you did enjoy the quick look of this phone. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye now.
Not when you